Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I don't know about feeling hot in this dress, but I feel really good in this dress from IHOT. This is a beautiful summer dress. It is a retro style and it's a rayon spandex mix. So it's really comfortable, but also really well fitted and feels really good. The dress is really well constructed. You can see the detailing at the waist. The stitching is nice and straight. I love that the arms fit perfectly, so I don't have any kind of gaping or it's not too low, but rather it fits really well and comfortable. The dress has a zipper that is hidden, but the zipper is well made and well stitched as well. The material of the fabric does feel like a fitted material, but it flares out really nicely, falling right below my knee. I am 5'4", and for me, this length is perfect. The dress manufacturer does recommend that you size up slightly, so I went with a medium. I normally wear a small. You can see that it has some areas that are loose, but I'm really happy that I went with the medium because I feel that the fit just feels a lot nicer and more comfortable for me. The dress can also be worn with so many different shoes, which is one of my favorite parts, and it just feels very pretty. They have lots of beautiful prints, and if you're looking for the perfect summer dress that will make you feel pretty and feel flattering while you're wearing it, then this is the dress to go with, and that's my point of view.